What is up, everybody? Today we are back on Ink Game. Yippee! And this time we are going to be using Bulldozer. Well, so today there is an Ink Game update. So this is kind of the last video I'll ever make before playable gods. So in that stream I will be showing how the playable gods work, and basically if there's new powers I'll get them. Oh, already in red light green light, so it doesn't matter if I cut or not. So this is how it works. So you can run into people like this, but then you fall over after. So in red light green light it sucks. Alright, if you are wondering what I'm trying to save up all my money for, I'm trying to save up for glass manufacturer revision. It costs 2.5 bill. You heard me right, billion. So I could subscribe so I can get more money. That's one person. No. No way. Yes. Alright, I might die in red light green light. Who am I kidding? No, I'm not. Why is red light lasting for so long? Alright, what does this mad kid want? I'll sort this kid out. Meanwhile, I'll see you in... I can't even do my thing. Meanwhile, oh my god. Meanwhile, I will see you in red light, green light. And we are in Dalgona. Alright, so my main objective is to get rid of these VIPs. Because, I think there's 4 VIPs versus me. And me, myself, and I. So I just don't know what to do. And disclaimer, at the point of this recording, I am very sick. So, yeah. Alright, let's see what I get. What? Oh, I'm with my brother. Alright. If I get a Mona Lisa, I think I'm good. I think I'll be okay. I have a lighter. Star. Wait, I haven't tried Star with the lighter yet, even off camera. No, I think it's better to go from this side. It is unbelievably easy. I don't even need the lighter. Alright, I will see you in Lights Out. We've just finished the Lights Out. Hee 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 ha. My bad, I think I forgot to record that bit. Alright, well, we are now going into, I think hide and seek, let's see. Because there are some nerds who think it's good to vote Tug of War. How? How did I not push him? Alright, well, I guess I'll see you in hide and seek. It won't. And we are in hide and seek. Alright, so the update is we have. Alright, the update, we haven't defeated anyone yet. Because his power actually sucks in every single game. My honest review of this: 3 out of 10. Needs a buff, probably will get removed. I would say this isn't a rare, this is a common. It sucks. Move a medic up to rare, and move Bulldozer down to common. That's what I think is gonna happen. Alright, let's see what we get. How many people? I'm not cooked. Alright, there's 9 hiders. We might be cooked. No, one's already dead. Even more cooked. And they've just escaped. Here. I heard a door opening over here somewhere. They are downstairs. Oh! No, wait, I just saw a hider. He's over here. Let me get hit. Please. No! Don't die. He's dead. No! Whoa. There's one in this bike room. Please tell me. Oh man, I went the wrong way. So if this is the exit door, if I go through here, I went upstairs, I would go through here, and over here. Here's... No! Well, that was a risk I had to take. Good. Well, I'm dead. Goodbye, everybody.